Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. My dear friends, if you want a detailed analysis of the gold chart, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So I'll just try to keep the video short because market is just open and we can see that there is not much volatility. Monday mornings usually are quite dull, so I'll try to keep the video short for detailed analysis and all the opportunities in this chart right now. Watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay. So let's get started. After the opening, right now gold is trading at 1836. So as per our expectation, market did bounce from the support zone of 1828 to 1830. So this gives us the clear-cut confirmation that this is a minor support for gold. As I've already mentioned in my previous video, that keep in mind the range of gold right now is 1828 on the downside and 1848 on the upside. This is the range of gold right now. As long as gold is trading in this range, do not consider it as a trending market. Okay, if you're a day trader, if you are a scalper, that is the range for you. If you are a trader who wants to go for a long-term trading, long-term position, then you can look for other things. But if you are a day trader, if you're looking for a position for one day, if you want to exit within a couple of hours, this is the range for you. 1848 on the upside and 1830 on the downside. 1830 to 1828. Clear? So if market goes up and reverses from 1848, and if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern or bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing pattern, you can take a sell position here. And if gold comes down to the support zone of 1828, 1830 and bounces, if you see a bullish pin bar hammer pattern at the support, you can go for a buy. Clear? In case if you find gold breaking the support and going down, then the next support is available at 1824 level, 1822 level and 1820 level. Okay, there are multiple support in the chart of gold. I have already discussed in my previous video, so keep in mind. So even if gold breaks the support of 1828, do not consider that there will be a easy free fall. Okay, in case of a high selling pressure, that's a different chapter. Okay, otherwise under normal circumstances there will not be a easy free fall on gold. Okay, there will be multiple support, that will be trying to provide a hold the market. So these levels are also very important under normal circumstances. Yes, again I'm using under normal circumstances. You will find gold trying to bounce from all these levels. Okay, and in case market breaks the level of 1848 and starts going up, okay, if market breaks the 1840 and starts going up, then unlike the support, we do not have any immediate support. The immediate resistance, the immediate resistance or big resistance is available at 1858. Yes, the next big resistance is available at 1858 only. Okay, so there is a good upside if market breaks the level of 1848 on gold. Clear? Let's talk about the chart of DXY once, because if you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I focus especially on DXY, because yes, I do believe that if you really want to excel in forex market, you must know the movement of US dollar. So again, as per our expectation, DXY did take support at the level and going up, but honestly speaking, the road is not very clear for DXY. You can see that, okay, though it is taking support at 95.50 to 40 level, but we have a minor resistance at this level. Okay, If DXY faces resistance and starts coming down, then again we will see some buying on gold. Okay, because when DXY goes up, we generally see gold going down. And the ultimate resistance zone for DXY is available here. Okay, if DXY goes up also become very bullish, then there will be some selling pressure at this level, and definitely there will, if DXY reverses from here, then definitely we will see some good buying on gold. Just keep in mind 1848 on the upside and 1828.30 on the downside is the range for gold right now. There are other minor levels also like 1836, 1843. Okay, you can also trade there, but beginners, okay, new traders, try to avoid those levels because those are quite risky. If you have been trading gold, if you have been scalping on gold for quite some time, then you're good to go. Okay, but otherwise, no, stay away. So hopefully I've understood what you need to do. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.